Hi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at school. My class starts at 11. So the time now is 10:39 or so. So I'm waiting for 11 so that I can attend. So attend economics English. Basically I'm out. Those are the only two classes that I have today. So yeah. It's so empty here. Empty kanjani. I was actually doing 6 subjects. So today ngahamba ngakhansela 3 because 6 I can't think I can't do 6. So yeah, I'm only doing English, business and economics. So your first day in the class. But last week I came. So when I came last week, there were no teachers because the other students are writing their final exams. So I teacher invigilator corner. So but I'm gonna weird today. So today I only have 2 classes. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. Okay, so I'm going home because my economics teacher is stuck somewhere Brakpan. So obviously they don't know whether she's gonna come or not. So now I'm going back home. It's the second time now. And it's frustrating. It's really frustrating. But then yeah, there's nothing that I can do. Hemophonometric. So I guess I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. So now I'm gonna go see my friend. Yeah. Let it go. So hungry. Good morning. Good morning. So the time is quarter to 6. Today is the 7th of November. Okay, so it's right? So I've been up from 2:30 till now. So weather namhlanje it looks like it's going to rain. Ish. So I don't know, I'm skeptical about school because Izolo I went and there was nothing going on. So ish, it's very discouraging, to go there. The educators are not there. So it's very discouraging. So I don't know, because I've got a client that wants me to do their hair and I wanted to go to the mall as well. So I don't know, I'll see. But I've got classes in the morning from 8 till 11. So I don't know, I'll see whether ngizoya ngijike khona or I don't know. Yabhora nje. But yeah, I'll see what I decide on and I'll take you guys with me.
Listen, y'all, these kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they ain't got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrass me no more. I take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm going to cut his hair, send him to school with a bald head.